A long-lost tradition returns in a moment, but first, here's what's planned for tomorrow's Inside Edition. That's tomorrow, and finally today, some of the best-known faces in modeling and acting got their start the same way. But that opportunity hasn't been available for almost 20 years, until now. Cindy Hom explains.
It's the Super Bowl of hair. After a 19-year hiatus, the nationwide search is on for 3 new Brec girls. Brian Haggerty is a spokesman for the Dial Corporation, which owns Brec.
There are over 2,000 videos sent in, and we had, I believe, over 11,000 calls.
Do you remember the Brec girls? In the beginning, the Brec girls' pastel portraits portrayed a woman who wore pearls. Her breath smelled like roses. She was the perfect lady. Many well-known actresses launched their careers after being a Brec girl. The youngest, Brooke Shields.
In retrospect, it was very much talked about, and everybody loved the ad, and I got to use my real doll in it.
Kim Basinger.
Brec cream rinse, oil-free cream rinse. The difference is very clear.
Jacqueline Smith.
Brec has far less detergent, far more natural ingredients.
From that commercial, it really is responsible for starting my acting career.
Christy Brinkley.
New Brec is body. New Brec is blood.
And Sybil Shepherd.
And all kinds of hair can use that.
The 6 finalists flew to Phoenix, Arizona for the final judging.
Eileen is 21 years old, recently graduated cum laude from Boston College.
Only 3 will win. 1 representing women under 22, 1 22 to 39, and 1 representing women over 40. After almost a year of competing, the winners are about to be announced as the judges split the final hairs.
This is for the winner in the category of 21 and under. It's Paige Elledge, ladies and gentlemen. I'm the baby Brec girl. And now the winner in the category of 22 to 39. Tiffany Palmer, ladies and gentlemen. It's an absolute honor, and I am so excited about the year to come, and just look forward to whatever Brec has in store for us. And now, finally, the winner in the 40-plus category.
The winner is Sandy Miller.
Sandy Miller.
This feels like 23 years.
The under 22-year-old winner, Paige Elledge, is a 19-year-old student whose mother coaxed her into the pageant. The 22 to 39 winner, red-haired Tiffany Palmer, lives in Texas and studies literature at the University of Houston. The 40 and over winner, Sandy Miller of Simi Valley, California, is a wife and mother who competed in the 1972 Miss America pageant. Each of them received a pin and a $5,000 one-year contract to be a Brec spokesperson.
Good, right here. Good.
The main ladies were put to work the day after the contest, a photo shoot for print ads.
You're not a supermodel. I mean, you're not a celebrity. You're just a normal person. I mean, I'm just a college student from Murfreesboro, Tennessee.
And that's just what the folks at Brec were looking for.
And if you're ever in Phoenix, you might want to visit the Brec Girl Museum. All the old Brec Girl sketches are displayed there. And that's Inside Edition for today. Thanks for watching. I'm Deborah Norville. We'll see you back from...
A good answer, ladies, but let's jump ahead to today, where it came down to 6 super finalists, who used Brec, by the way.
It's Paige Elledge, ladies and gentlemen.
Sandy Miller. Tiffany Palmer.
Tiffany Palmer, ladies and gentlemen.
Check out the runner-up's reaction, folks. This was a serious competition. But here are your Triple Crown Brec girls of 1995.
My hair's always been a signature feature of mine, and I'm glad it finally took me somewhere. I was just so excited, but I wanted to remain very calm because it could have gone either way. Women are very, very powerful. We're the backbone of our family, therefore we're the backbone of the country. Yes!
3 Brec shampoo girls. A split decision with not one split end between them. And don't forget the best part.
The best part is it's extremely affordable.
The winners will become spokespersons for 1 year, receive $5,000 in cash, and receive an original pastel portrait which will hang in the Brec Girl Hall of Fame. Stay with us, we'll be...